Guys, Josh here. Found a couple more picks this morning. An industry that's kind of been ignored since we were rallying a few months ago on the vaccine. This is cruise line industry. Gonna rip through a couple stocks here. This is Royal Caribbean. You can see it's got an upward trend, about 85% upside to the recent high, and it's got a ton of support underneath it now at the moving averages that it's starting to play with. A lot of bouncing off those moving averages. RSI is in the 40s. Like to see that a little lower if possible, which would mean it gets caught somewhere on these moving averages. Just zoom in there for a second. You can see it had a couple bounces here. You can also see the inflection point on the 200, which should provide support even if it does fall through these other moving averages. And then if you look here, we have Carnival. Not as much. Pretty flat here on the trend, but more upside potential, 150%. And again, a bunch of support under the moving average, or for the moving averages here underneath the price. This gap up was the vaccine, and now it's sitting above the moving averages. And then you can see here, Norwegian Cruise Line, a little bit of an uptrend, not as much as Royal Caribbean, 125%, kind of the sweet spot in between the two stocks. I advise to hold all three since they trade as a group. And then again, same thing here. Support underneath the price with the moving averages and upward trend and inflection point on the 200. Hope this helps. Enjoy the day, guys.